Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my second time doing a review for this company and I really love this hair. The first time I did a straight texture and today I'm going to be doing a kinky curly texture. I want to do more videos doing wigs that can match the naturalistas of my channel, of my subscribers. Wigs that they can wear that can match their natural hair texture and it's easy to do. And today I'm going to be doing a natural twist out style and I'm just going to co-wash the hair first. I'm using cold water and the conditioner that I showed you in the previous clip. I love this conditioner and anytime that I co-wash my hair, I use this brand. And if I cannot find this brand, I use the brand called Curls Unleashed. Both of those are my go-to brands. I used to love silicone mix, but I realized that silicone mix really wasn't the best choice. However, I'm using a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to attach a picture of it. I'm just going to get it and smooth it over my hair, and then I'm just going to section my hair off into different, not very small, but just medium-sized portions, and to just twist it out. If you're natural, then you know how to do this process. After you've twisted the whole wig, you're going to either let it air dry or you can sit it under the dryer or in the dryer. Being that I'm going out tonight, I am going to just put my hair in the dryer for a speedy dry process. I'm not too sure how this is going to turn out just because I've never done this before. But all of my wigs, I just attach them underneath my braids in the back. And I'm not going to cut the lace off today because I'm going to do another natural style with this wig. I'm going to show you how to pluck it and all of that good stuff. But today I'm just going to tuck the lace underneath the wig. Then you're just going to go ahead and take your 2-strand twists out. And after you take them completely out, then you're just going to unloose them from one another and make your hair as big, as fluffy as you want. I'm also going to cut myself a bang because this is an 18-inch wig. And the look that I'm going for, I wanted it to be a bang. That didn't turn out how I expected, but it's an easy fix. I'm just going to get some water in a spray bottle and spray it on my bang and put some more of the leave-in conditioner. But it's all coming together. It actually looks really, really nice. Right now, I'm just fluffing it out and making it to how I want my hair to look. You have to tweak the wig to how you want it to look. Tweak it to fit you, fit your face, and fit your personality. My husband said I look like Rick James. How do y'all feel about it? Thank you for tuning in to my videos and stay tuned for more. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. See you on the next video.